See another example why I and I man no like the bleaching thing. Look on this criminal here. You are going to, I don't know if you remember this criminal. Last year when he abducted the children in a Yallahs area, his name is Davion Bryan of St Thomas. And ladies and gentlemen, the Jamaican police have now officially charged him. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier. Greetings, 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 and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari Soldier of Deep Roots TV, and if this is your first time tuning in, I'm asking you to hit that red subscribe button, and we're going to have a great relationship, ladies and gentlemen. Davion Bryan, the St. Thomas native, he was allegedly a suspect as an abductor of 2 girls in the parish last year. He has been officially charged. The criminal has been charged on Monday with rape, forcible abduction, and forcible imprisonment. Bryan is booked to appear before St. Thomas Parish Court judge in Yallahs on April 22nd. He is being accused of abduction of 2 girls, aged 9 and 13, in Bath, St. Thomas, in October of 2021, which sparked a human manhunt, nationwide outrage, international outrage, a matter of fact, ladies and gentlemen. On this particular case, a call for the death penalty. Both girls were subsequently found. And of course, they witnessed on it. Bryan, 32, was listed as Portland's most wanted in early March after failing to appear before Portland court on February 17, 2022 on charges of rape and illegal possession of firearms. Those charges stem from July of 2020 attack on a woman in Norwich. He surrendered to police on March 24. He has since been charged with wounded with intent in relations to the March 9th incident in which he allegedly grabbed a woman and pulled her into a gully in Durham, Portland. You hear how much crime this youth is doing? And Babylon have him out on the street? She reportedly sustained injuries to the face, and he is charged for a March 10th incident where a woman was allegedly sexually assaulted. It is being alleged that Thursday, March 10th, Bryan abducted a woman while she was walking along the roadway and pulled her in the bushes, where he assaulted her and had his way with her, ladies and gentlemen. This is unbelievable. Bryan was charged with rape, forcible abduction, and grievous sexual assault after he was pointed out by the woman during an identification parade. So how him get a chance we did out in the road? This is unbelievable, ladies and gentlemen. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. How this young man at the out on street for commit so much crime, much less if abduct 2 little children. Ladies and gentlemen, like Chronic see Babylon invent crime, they continue to play on the fears of the people and allowing these people to walk around in environments where good human beings with good high standards and morals live. Go ahead and leave your comment, ladies and gentlemen. What should we do with such a menace to society? Should we allow him to take up taxpayer money? Should we allow him to try to be reformed? multiple women he have violated, multiple dangerous assault he have committed, and here we are, just charging him again for 2 abduction and assault on a 13 and a 9-year-old. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari, soldier of Deep Roots TV. It's shocking. Me tell them no say Jamaica have some serials. I'm talking about serial rapists. I'm talking about serial murderers. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari soldier, Deep Roots TV. Hit that red subscribe button. Leave your comment. Share the content. Help me build up the channel. Become a part of the Rastaman panel. And more life, and more joy, and absolutely more nappiness. You stay blessed. Jah know them people, you animal.